Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Alright, before we get started on today's video for Cast Iron Wednesday, I need to talk about something that's very near and dear to my heart. My mother, she lost the battle for breast cancer. She had breast cancer. She fought it for 3.5 years, and I miss her dearly. I'm very adamant about supporting breast cancer, and this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now, FrugalRVGal, she's doing a walk, and this is in support of Bees Adventures. Bees Adventures has been battling breast cancer as well. I will post a link to FrugalRVGal's videos in reference to the breast cancer walk hikes that she's doing. Myself, Bees Adventures, and FrugalRVGal, we're going to be donating $100 at cap for the hikes that she is doing. And we're going to be donating it to Susan B. Coleman, which I will post a link down in my description if you want to donate as well. This is a good cause. Please make sure every one of you get your mammies mammogrammed. Guess what, men? You too need to get it done. 3 to 6% chance of you also having breast cancer. Don't be one of that low percentage of getting it. You need to get your mammies mammogrammed as well. Then you can really see what us women go through. Trust me, that ain't fun, but you know what? Get detected early can save your life. Alright, now I'm going to be making this part short and sweet due to the fact because we got to get on to the next part of the video. Am I frying fruit on Cast Iron Wednesday? Wait till you see what I'm doing with fruit. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Hiya folks, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. You've been wondering, what is she going to do? Fry fruit in a cast iron? Let's watch and see exactly what I do. I hope you enjoy the video, so hold on. Be right back. Okay, as you see, I got the setup here. I've got the fruit all cut up. I got the cast iron skillet there. But let's get more set up. Alright, let me show you what I'm going to do. You need foil. Okay? So the first foil is going to go on top on the inside. You're thinking, oh, what's she going to do? Okay? But wait a minute. You really need foil all the way around it. So, here we go again. Alright. Now, I'm going to set this over here because the plate's going to set to here. Nice. And this is what we're going to be doing. Are you guys ready for this? No, so it looks good so far, doesn't it? Nice and tasty, the way the fruit is. Okay, here we go. Alright, first thing we're going to do, gotta get the bananas on the chopping board. Now, you all know I'm on a diet, right? You all know I'm on this diet. So, fried foods is really a big no-no for me. So, I gotta do my fruit. I gotta do my veggies. When I'm home, I don't cook much. So, guess what? We're going to show other uses for a cast iron. Okay, here we go. Take the cast iron, And boom. Oh, smash my bananas. There's a reason for it. Okay, let's get the bananas over there. Ooh. Okay. Guess what? It's still good. It's still good. Smash my kiwi. Oh, yes. It's all good. It's still good. Don't worry. She hasn't gone nuts. Not yet. Okay, ready? Well, a little more. A little more. A little more. All right. I got them all smashed up. Now what is she going to do with it? Be right back and I'll show you. I'm going to blend my fruits into my drink in a cast iron. Right? This is for Cast Iron Wednesday, so let's do it in a cast iron. So here we go. And of course, I don't have the thing on right. Gotta have it on just right or it won't work. Ah! Oh my God. Now, big blooper. Okay, I gotta get this lined up just right. Here we go. Try it this way. Nope. Here we go. Let's try that. There. I've been drinking things like this to help me with my diet. So, let's do a taste test from the cast iron smoothie. Okay? So, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Guess what? I smell a lot of banana. I smell blueberries. Oh, yes, I smell kiwi too. Let's taste it. Oh, that's perfect. Hey, I got a new cooking show. Cast iron smoothies. Well, it was done in a cast iron. So, I hope it qualifies for a Cast Iron Wednesday. If not, oh well, we had fun today for Cast Iron Wednesday. Did we not? Cheers. Hope you enjoyed that. I know, I can be silly at times. But what the heck? Let's have some fun. Have a great day. Thank you all for supporting my channel. For any new subscribers, trust me, I'm not crazy all the time. Just only most of the time. But click the subscribe and click the thumbs up. Click that little bell for notifications when I do go crazy at times. Maybe that's it. I'm stir crazy. But going to be in Lollapalooza in a week from today. I should be there right at this time next Tuesday. No, yes, this is recorded on Tuesday for Cast Iron Wednesday. I can't wait. All right, you all have a great and wonderful night. Look at this, another full moon day. I haven't seen any crazies come out. Normally, I'm the crazy one, but I haven't been crazy lately, so it's time to get crazy. All right, see you in a bit.